Oh, stuff is happening. So we're gonna go. I had to crawl. Amazing little weekend away. Hello and welcome back. I hope you can hear me. I am in France again because I love France so much. I am close to Paris, but I'm not actually in Paris. I'm in a little town called Fontainebleau, visiting some friends. So I'm here discovering beautiful Fontainebleau. It's really nice. We just went into this like high-end, not really high-end, but like this really nice flower store where they had so many different flowers and everything was decorated on the ceiling, and it was just this really cute little place. I like it. We are going to this castle called, I think it's called Vaux-le-Vicomte. C'est ça, hein? Vaux-le-Vicomte? Vaux-le-Vicomte. And we're gonna make a tour of the inside of the castle. And then there's a firework display. We've taken some stuff like food with us and some wine. So we're gonna enjoy a little picnic before the fireworks and after the castle visit. So far it looks, I mean, look at this behind. Oh no, you can't see anymore. It's quite impressive, and it's very like well maintained. Looks very like picturesque and royal, should I say. Oh, stuff is happening. Apparently not. Okay. So I've just done their castle tour. So this guy called Fouquet, in the 1600 and something, was the finance minister of the king, Louis XIV, Louis the 14th. And so he built this castle, can you see in the background? Ta-da! And he built also all of these huge gardens all the way till there. It's like a statue in the background. And he used to host like ballroom dances and things like this, and the king got jealous. And the king suspected then that he had taken public funds to finance all of his castle, and he was not found guilty, but the king then still used his executive power to banish him to imprisonment for life in a very bad situation. So he was, taken away. But he actually offered it to the king and said, oh, if you want it, you can have it, sort of like a way to ask the king to spare his life. But at the time the king could not accept gifts from his subjects. The king couldn't accept this castle. And so Mr. Fouquet was then sent to prison. So that was the castle. And now we're gonna find a place to sit down and eat our food in the gardens. And then later at 11 p.m. there's like a fireworks thing, and that will be really good fun.
Qui ne devait rien à celui confié pour l'entrer.
Good morning. Well, morning, it's now 12. We are at a market, can you see behind me? It's very typical French to have markets like this on Saturdays. There's so many different things, from fruits and vegetables to meat to, eggs, dairy, everything is here. And I've even seen some meat stuff that even I haven't seen before. So like there was a langue de bœuf, which is like the tongue of the cow, but the male cow. I love life right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So after our little trip in the little village, we've gone into the forest. As you can see behind me, there's loads of big boulders around. Apparently Fontainebleau is known in the bouldering community. I'm not gonna go bouldering because obviously I'm not dressed appropriately. Bonjour. But I'm gonna go explore, see the landscape. It's really nice. You wouldn't think, because Fontainebleau is not very known as destination because it's so close to Paris, so everyone always thinks of Paris. But I would say for a little weekend it's like really something different. It's a mixture between like picturesque French village countryside, you know, French culture, and at the same time loads of nature. Yeah, really cute little town, I would say. So far I'm really loving it. So there's a hole. Can you see? This is a hole, and there you come out the other side. It's like 20 meters or something. Apparently you crawl through, and my friends have dared me to go inside. I'm slightly claustrophobic, so we're gonna see what happens. And my friends is asthmatic, so this is gonna be a challenge. Can you see? Okay, so this is okay.
I need your light, I don't see shit.
Ah non mais moi il faut que je filme en fait.
Oui, bah oui.
Bon, fais attention à ta tête. So, watch out for the head.
Je sais pas par où faut passer.
Ah mais c'est où là? Ah c'est là. C'est là-bas, là-bas. Attends, regarde, il y a les petits enfants, on les suit.
Ah ouais, ils sont bien.
Okay, there are little kids going in front of us, so we're just gonna follow the kids.
En fait, là pour la sortie, il faut ramper.
Ouais, d'accord. Ok.
Donc là, il faut ramper, c'est ça?
On peut attendre là.
Enfin, soit on rampe, soit on est genre hyper bas. Mais...
D'accord.
Ok, mais on va. Ok.
Nous, on va être obligé de ramper sûrement.
So, we're gonna go.
Oui, parce que si dans le passage rampé, bah, ça va pas rentrer. Donc,
C'est génial.
Oh putain. Je me suis pris un truc.
Ça va?
Oui, oui, c'est bon. C'est juste que. Ok. Oui, parce que je filme, donc je vois rien. I'm crawling. Okay.
Ok.
We're approaching the point where we have to crawl, so I can't film, but I need the light. I need the light.
À un moment, tu dis.
I had to crawl.
Astrid, regarde ma vie.
It was tired. It was so fucking tired. There was one point where really I was starting to get scared. Jesus Christ.
Il y a un moment où il faut se mettre comme ça et claustrophobe.
I'm free of sand. Oh no, actually no, I'm not free of sand. I'm full of marks now. Yeah, it's quite a small tunnel. I would say maybe 30 meters long. And most of it you can like squat into it. And then at one point I would say there's like 10 meters where you have to crawl because it's literally too low. I'm glad that I went with my friend because she was ahead of me. And at some point I felt like, oh, I can feel the claustrophobia is coming in. And I said to her, like, don't move. I see your feet, so please don't move. And I just looked down at the ground and was just like, forward, 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 don't look up, don't look at how close everything is. And we managed, and actually it was very sweet. There were two kids in front of us who had done it like a billion times, who were guiding us, very sweet. And we were like saying like, this way, you're almost there. Just have to crawl, now you're finished. They're very sweet, and I just, it was very kind of them to guide us through. I'm very glad I did that because I'm not really good at tight spaces and things like this. And I'm glad I confronted my fears and I managed. It was not a big, like, I think I was under there maybe less than 2 minutes, but I really liked the fact that I confronted my fears and I approached the situation. I was like, yeah, come on girls, I'm gonna do it. Who's gonna do it with me? Really nice, cute weekend here in Fontainebleau. I'm positively surprised about everything that we've done. I thought that it was gonna be like, you know, girls' weekend, lots of discussions, lots of talk about dating and men and everything, and yeah, it turns out that it was just done loads of trips, loads of nature stuff, explored the city, had a really nice tour of a castle, fireworks. Yeah, it was a very exciting weekend actually. I did not expect any of this. This is very a very positive surprise, and I recommend if you do come to Fontainebleau, it's a very nice city, but I would have like a bit of a plan of like, okay, there's a castle visit we can do and stuff like that to have a bit of activity. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you very soon back on my channel. Enjoy, like, subscribe, everything. Bye.